The question says if the maximum value of secant inverse x whole square plus cosecant inverse x whole square approaches a, and the minimum value of tan inverse x whole cube plus cot inverse x whole cube approaches b, then we have to find the value of a plus b upon pi. Now let's talk about secant inverse x whole square plus cosecant inverse x whole square. So we can write it as secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x whole square minus of twice of secant inverse x into cosecant inverse of x. Now we know that secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equals to pi by 2. So this expression will become pi by 2 whole square minus of twice of secant inverse x into, I can write cosecant inverse x as pi by 2 minus secant inverse x. So this expression will become pi square by 4 plus twice of secant inverse x whole square minus pi secant inverse of x, and I can also write it as twice of secant inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square plus pi square by 8. Now to get the maximum value, we have to put secant inverse of x as pi. So this will become twice of 3 pi by 4 whole square plus pi square by 8, which is equal to 5 pi square by 4. So this is the maximum value and this is equal to a. Now the second function, which is tan inverse x whole cube plus cot inverse x whole cube. So by applying the formula of a cube plus b cube, I can write it as tan inverse x plus cot inverse x whole cube minus 3 tan inverse x cot inverse x into tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Now again we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. So this will become pi cube by 8 minus 3 pi by 2 tan inverse x into pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, and I can also write it as 3 pi by 2 into tan inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square plus pi cube by 32, and to get the minimum value we have to put tan inverse x as pi by 4. So the minimum value will be equal to pi cube by 32, which is equals to b. Now the value of a is 5 pi square by 4 and the value of b upon pi is pi square by 32, and we have to find a plus b upon pi, which is equal to 41 pi square upon 32. So therefore option 2 is correct. Let's check. Yes, 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.